Hello everyone, Paul Rogers here. Today is December the 29th, 2017. We are looking at Lend, the BTC price. Now, this is actually the second time I'm recording this video. For some reason, it didn't record properly. Price was lower. We were looking at a bit of a triangle that had formed for Lend, the BTC price. And since then, the triangle's broken out to the upside. So, we're looking at a second breakout. Yesterday there was price action was close to an all-time high, and I was feeling that there was going to be a breakout based on the volume and the trading activity. It looked like there was going to be a breakout, and I was recommending buying right away and not waiting for a pullback. Since then, price has more than doubled, and I think price is going to continue higher. There's a lot of volume and a lot of buying pressure right now and a lot of demand for Lend tokens. So I'm looking for, right now, Lend tokens are around 20 cents. Lend to BTC is showing at 1,420 Satoshi. And I see price heading much higher from here. So exactly how much higher can we look at? And should you wait for a pullback? Right now, price action is telling me that there's not going to be a pullback. It's going to head higher. I mean, I could be wrong, but I'm just seeing a whole bunch of volume coming in that's going to push Ethlend higher. So at what price will Ethlend settle at? So let's update CoinMarketCap here really quick. As you can see, Ripple has had a great run as well. Ripple actually overtook Ethereum briefly. Where's Ethlend right now? Ethlend, number 98, now top 100 cryptocurrency. And that happened very fast, very fast. I mean, I was literally making videos for Ethlend maybe like 3 weeks ago or so, and it was like 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, and now we're at 20 cents. So things are happening quickly. The question is, where is a fair valuation for Ethlend? Now, Ethlend's team and development team is growing, and it's led by an amazing team, in my opinion, because their Telegram group is excellent. Their support is excellent. The community behind them is, in my opinion, one of the best that I've seen on Telegram. It's great. So what does this mean? This means that there's going to be more momentum and more adoption. So where is Salt on this? Where is Salt? Let's find Salt. Am I missing Salt here? Oh, Salt is number 36 at a market cap that's more than 4 times higher than Ethlend's right now, currently. So these two are going to, I see Ethlend, because it's fully decentralized and the DApp is actually working, I see Ethlend actually, market cap coming very close to Salt's. And if they continue to develop the way they've been developing, it could surpass Salt's. This doesn't mean that you should only own Ethlend. I think there's room in the space for Salt and Ethlend to exist. Ethlend is more crypto to crypto and decentralized, where Salt is more centralized and focused on, I believe, crypto to fiat. So I believe Ethlend is heading towards offering crypto to fiat as well. So I think that they're both heading in the same direction. The major difference is Ethlend is fully decentralized. So Ethlend will be top 50. Once Ethlend gets into the top 50 cryptocurrencies, we could start talking about fair valuation. Compared to these other projects, I think Ethlend definitely deserves to be top 50. And at that point, it's going to be a race between Ethlend and Salt as far as who's going to be the market leader, who's going to gain most adoption, who has the strongest community, who offers the best product. That's what's going to come down to regarding adoption. But right now, Ethlend is still in kind of a discovery phase. People are still finding out about it. Obviously, the growth has been amazing. And this isn't going to be a pump and dump, because Ethlend actually has a community, actually has a working DApp. And so I'm not too worried about the price look, we're about to reach new all-time highs. I'm not too worried about the price of Ethlend going down significantly, because I know that the reason why it's going up isn't some chat group going and saying, some pump group saying, oh, okay, let's pump the price up and see how much we can make from other people jumping in due to FOMO, and then we're going to dump it and make a quick buck. No, not at all. Not at all. This is not what's powering Ethlend. What's powering Ethlend right now is the fact that more and more people are discovering what they're doing, the fact that they have something that's working right now. I mean, they've had, like I said, I don't know if I said this. I think I said this in my last video, but there was an announcement that they've had over 300, they surpassed 300 Ethereum of volume on their decentralized app from people testing it and putting out loans. I mean, decentralized lending is a must for the world. So I do see price heading much, much higher. So if you can't tell, I'm excited about it. I like focusing on small projects that have a lot of growth potential, because you can go times 10, times 20, times 50 your money, your investment. Where when you're putting your money into a project like, let's say, Ripple or Ethereum, sure, you can double or triple or quadruple your money. It's just harder to do. When you find a real quality project, a diamond in the rough, so to speak, with something like Ethlend, it's exciting because you're getting in at such an attractive price point, 2 cents. And then now you're at 20 cents. Okay, great. You're times 10 your money right there. And Ethlend's not done. Ethlend is going to be going to 50 cents in a hurry. So once it's at 50 cents, what do you say then? Okay, looks like I made 25 times my initial investment, and I'm in a real nice quality project. And then other people start to discover it, and there's some people that only consider investing in the top 20 or 30 projects. So if Ethlend does reach top 20 or 30 projects, more and more people will take a look at it, read about it, and they can still make money with Ethlend's top 20, top 30, but not near as much as the people that got in early. So anyhow, wanted to make a quick video sharing price action, what's going on. Like I said, it doesn't appear that it's going to have a correction. It appears that Ethlend is going to be heading higher. I would expect it to reach around, probably break past 2,000 Satoshi today. I mean that's possible. Maybe not today. Maybe the next 48 hours or so, to break past 2,000 Satoshi. So, but I don't think 2,000 Satoshi is by any means a place where Ethlend is going to settle. I think it's going to settle quite a bit higher, actually. Probably around 3,000 to 4,000 Satoshi is where I see Ethlend actually settling. Anyhow, I think that's good for today. Paul Rogers out. Oh, and please leave some comments and some likes and all that kind of good stuff. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Paul Rogers out.